Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and here's a pretty rare car. You don't see a lot of these Javelins around anymore. This is 74, I believe. It's one that I bought from a guy up in North Dakota. He'd had it 30 years. And he just decided he couldn't get it finished, so this would be a great one. It's a great project. Drive the way it is if you want, because it's still pretty presentable for a driver, but it's one you could restore relatively easy. I haven't cleaned it or nothing. This is how we got it from him. So it basically is kind of what you'd call a barn find. So you're seeing it how it is. There's your VINs there. Windshield's broke. You know, some paint that's come off over the years. The worst rust is not a lot, but it's a little bit over the rear wheel wells. We'll show you. He put some crazy 70s seat covers. I wonder if the seats are still good and underneath there. No, the back one's ripped. So there's your rear seat. Rear seat's in good shape. Oh, I say that, and then there's a piece of black tape over it. So yeah, and a cut up there. So need to do the seats. Door panels, I think, are good. Dash a little warped up there by the speaker, but it isn't cracked. Got a little crack in the door panel here, so. And then of course carpet's bad. So, but like I said, right in there, it's not. Doors are pretty good. Your sticker's still here from. But here's your worst spot, and it's on both sides. So that would be, you don't have to put quarters or anything. That'd be easily fixed. Like I said, if you had a Javelin, I know they're hard to come by, and you want one that's on a cheaper budget, this one definitely will work for you. And they're just gonna, like I said, there's not a lot of them, so they're gonna keep going up in value. A little cracking on the wood, that cheap stuff they used back in the 70s. So. Looks like you can put a Christmas tree in there and make it smell better. So, but it smells okay. So definitely a good one to start with. A nice solid car. If you see the pictures from underneath, it look pretty good, and the body overall is pretty good for a car that's basically been sitting for a lot of years. So, any questions? Give me a call, 605-695-7391.